Chapter number 7, Safety Rules. In this chapter, we are going to read about the different types of safety rules, the rules that we should follow at different places. Places like on the road, places like in the school or at your home, at like different places. We have so many rules we should follow, and these all, वो सारे ही rules हमारे ही betterment के लिए, हमारी ही अच्छाई के लिए बने हैं. वो सारे रूल्स किस लिए? अगर हम उन्हें फॉलो करेंगे तो हम सेफ रहेंगे. ठीक है, तो आज हम ये चैप्टर रीड करते हैं और इसे समझने की कोशिश करते हैं. लेट अस अगेन से हाय टू साइना. Saina and her classmates are in a traffic training park. They both are in the traffic training park. This park, ये वाला park किस लिए है? Traffic के rules सिखाने के लिए. The teacher in this training park, the teacher tells her why traffic rules are important, why these traffic rules are so important. We must follow traffic rules to keep ourselves and others safe. If we are not careful, someone might get hurt. If we will not follow the rules, then someone might get hurt. It is important to follow safety rules to be safe. Safety on the road. The first one is safety on the road. Followed on the road. The first one is always go out with an elder. मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था ना, you should always go out with only your elders. Never step out of your house alone. कभी भी घर के बाहर अकेले नहीं जाएंगे आप लोग. Same मैम ने भी बताया. What ma'am said over here to Saina? Always go out with an elder. Walk on the pavement. What is the pavement? Pavement is the side road made over there so that आप उस पे चल सके. Side path जो वहां पर होता है. Cross the road at the zebra crossing. Do you all know what is the zebra crossing? Zebra crossing is the black and white colored strips. Black और white color की जो strips होती हैं, those are known as zebra crossing. Do not play on the road. We should not play on the road. क्या हमें रोड पे खेलना चाहिए? Should we play on the road, Vian? Should we play on the road? No. No, we should not play on the road. Before crossing the road, first look to the right, then to the left, and then again to the right. Again, we should always cross the road in this way only. Before crossing the road, we should look to our right, then to your left, and then again to your right. Okay, turn to your right. Everyone, turn and see to your right side. Now turn to your left. Very good, Vian. Now turn to your left. Very good. Now again turn to your right. Great. We should always cross the road in this same way. Okay. Now coming to the next page, page number 29. Safety at home. You all can see the red lining, safety at home. Do not jump on a bed or a sofa. Why we should not jump on bed or sofa? Because we might get fall down, we might get hurt. Stay away from fire. We should not play with fire ना. हमें हमेशा fire से दूर रहना चाहिए. हम जल सकते हैं, हम burn हो सकते हैं, हमें दर्द हो सकता है. Keep away from the do not touch electric wires or sockets. You should not touch the electric wires or the sockets. Keep away from the sharp things like knives and blade, क्योंकि वो बहुत sharp होते हैं ना, हमारा hand कट सकता है, हमारी चोट लग सकती है. That's why we should keep away from them. Do not lean over a balcony railing. Should we lean out over a balcony railing? No, we should not lean over a balcony railing. Over the balcony, we should not lean. Just a minute here. Next is safety at school. Yes, Rusham? Safety at school. Walk in a line while going up or down the stairs. Do not push each other. When you are in the school, your teacher always asks you that you should walk in a straight line. Why does ma'am ask you to walk in a straight line? Because in that way there is no need to hurry. आप भागोगे नहीं, आप हरी नहीं करोगे, and you should not push each other. आपको किसी को push नहीं करना चाहिए. You should not push anyone. Do not push each other on the swings also. Don't ever push anyone on the swings. आप swings पर किसी को भी push करोगे तो आपको क्या होगा? If you will push anyone out there, they might fall down, and when they will fall down, they will get hurt also. So आपको किसी को push भी नहीं करना चाहिए. Do not jump on the chairs and desk. Should we jump on the chairs when you are in the school? Should we push and jump on the chairs? Should we jump on the desk? No. क्या आप और दूसरे बच्चों को swings पे push करते हो? No, that is very wrong to be done. That is very, very extremely wrong. हमें अपना भी ध्यान रखना होता है और अपने friends का भी, fellow beings का भी. Right? Please come to the next page, page 30. This is safety in the bus or car. Always wait in a line for the bus. When you go in the bus, ma'am always asks you now, walk in a line, walk in a line. So now try to understand why ma'am says that. Ma'am says that because when you will walk in a line for a bus, you will slowly and gradually go in the bus and you will have a proper seat for you over there. Right? Sit properly on your seat. Do not stand near the door of the bus. Very important. You should not. आपको कभी भी बस के डोर के पास, बस के गेट के पास नहीं खड़ा होना चाहिए. Why so? क्योंकि बस स्टार्ट होगी, आप बाहर गिर सकते हो. Do not put your head or arms outside the window of a moving bus or car. You may get hurt. If you will put your head or arms outside the window, आपको चोट लग सकती है. Never disturb the driver. The driver should have the proper interest in just driving. तो आपको ड्राइवर को कभी डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना चाहिए. ओके पृथ्वी? Wait the car or bus to stop before getting off. जब भी आपको, whenever you want to come out of the bus, what you should do, Arfa? You should always wait for the bus or the car to stop properly. When the bus or the car will stop properly, Saksham, then you should go out of it. Right? Always wear a seat belt in the car. It keeps you safe in case of an accident. Always it is said now, the driver should wear the seat belt. But nowadays it is very important when you kids are also sitting in the bus or a car, you must wear a seat belt out there. आपको भी seat belt पहननी चाहिए. Next is safety while swimming. Use a swimming tube if you are learning to swim. If you are new with the swimming concept. अगर आप new हैं, आप नए हैं, सीख रहे हैं swimming करना, then you should also wear the swimming tube. Do not go alone for a swim. Never go alone for a swim. Why to go alone for a swim? No. है ना? Then how will another person protect us? Do not go into deep water. If you will go into the deep water, you might get drowned. आप उसमें डूब भी सकते हो. Who will help you out? वहां कोई second person भी नहीं है आपको help out करने के लिए. That's why never go into the deep water. What is Saina saying over here? I wanted to read. If someone gets hurt, inform your teacher or an adult at once. Like if you are in a school, अगर आप school में हो और आपको कोई दिखा है तो कोई भी hurt हो गया है, what you should do? You should directly go and inform to your teacher. Or if you are at home or you're on the road or any other place, और कोई आप किसी को देख रहे हो hurted है, तो you should inform any elder person out there. जो भी वहां पे elder person है, आपको उन्हें inform करना चाहिए. Let us see about this fact aunt. What is this aunt saying? First aid is the medical help when we give before the doctor comes. आपको सबको पता है ना फर्स्ट एड क्या होता है. अभी हमने फर्स्ट एड बॉक्स भी बनाया था ना. क्या क्या था उस फर्स्ट एड बॉक्स में? कितनी सारी चीजें थी ना उस फर्स्ट एड बॉक्स में. आशवी, डू यू रिमेम्बर? Can you tell me one thing out of that box, first aid box? Please unmute and speak, Ashvi. What were the different things in the first aid box? जो आपके first aid box आपने बनाया था, over there you had so many things. What is the use of the first aid box? The first aid box is used to help the diseased person or the wounded person till the time the doctor arrives. Yes, Ashvi? Ashvi, your audio is not working, dear. I am not able to hear you, beta. So that's all for this chapter. Read the chapter again louder and clearly.